Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code 0x87e107e2 on Xbox console. So, before we begin, please check the Xbox server status. Just press Xbox button on the controller. After that, navigate to Xbox support. Select Xbox status. Additionally, you can also use your web browser on your computer or mobile device to access the Xbox Live server status page via the link in the description. If the investigation reveals that Xbox servers are experiencing problems or are down, please stop watching this video and wait for Xbox servers to be fixed. Method 1. Restarting your Xbox console. Press and hold the Xbox button on the controller. Select Turn off console. When the console is completely turned off, unplug the console from the power outlet. Wait at least 3 minutes. After that, plug the console back into the power outlet, then it's time to power on the console. Try visit the store and see if error code 0x87e107e2 is gone. Method 2. Clearing the alternative MAC address. Go to Settings. Go to General. Select Network Settings. Now, select Advanced Settings. Select Alternate MAC Address. Select Clear, restart your console, then check if error code 0x87e107e2 persists. Method 3. Use manual DNS. Navigate to Settings. On the following screen, head to General. Select Network Settings. Select Advanced Settings. Select DNS Settings. Select Manual. Then with the on-screen keyboard, type in the primary and secondary DNS server you want to use. Here, I will use Google DNS. I will type 8.8.8.8 as the primary IPv4 DNS. And type 8.8.4.4 for the secondary IPv4 DNS. Alternatively, you can also try with Cloudflare DNS. Just type 1.1.1.1 as the primary IPv4 DNS, and type 1.0.0.1 for the secondary IPv4 DNS. When you're finished, you'll be brought back to the Advanced Network screen, where you will see your new DNS servers have been saved. Try visit the store and check if the error code 0x87e107e2 is gone. Method 4. Restart your router. Just turn off the router, then unplug the router from the power outlet. Wait at least 3 minutes. After that, plug the router back into the power outlet, then it's time to power on the router. Wait for all panel lights on the router to become green on before testing your internet connection. Connect to the network with your Xbox console and test the internet connection. It's always better to test this by connecting with an Ethernet cable if possible. Method 5. Try use other network. Try connecting to a different internet network or the router. If you have more than one router, try replacing the router you are using with another router. We do this to eliminate the possibility that the problem is caused by the router's strict security features. If that's not possible, try connecting to a different internet network, such as a neighbor's wireless network, mobile data, LTE, 4G, 5G, etc. Then check if the error code 0x87e107e2 is gone. If using other network work for you, then come back, connect to your network, and everything should work. Method 6. Factory reset the router. To do that, make sure keep your router plugged in. Next, find your router's reset button. This will be on the back or the bottom of your router. Use a paperclip or similar object to hold down the reset button for 30 seconds. Release the button, wait for the router to power back on and check if the error code 0x87e107e2 is gone. Method 7. Factory reset your console. To do so, go through the following instructions. Go to Settings. Go to System. Select Console Info. Now, select Reset Console, then, Xbox will show you the following 3 options. Option 1, Reset and remove everything. Option 2, Reset and keep my apps and games. And Option 3, Cancel. The first option will reset your console and also delete everything from your console, hence, if you have saved all your games to the cloud, you can select this option. But if your saves are not on the cloud, we suggest you select the Reset and Keep My Apps Games option. This will reset your Xbox console without deleting your game data. That's it guys, hope this is helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in touch or leave a comment. Thanks.